Welcome to today's video. In this review, I'll walk you through the entire long, layered haircut tutorial from start to finish. The tutorial begins with clean and organized sectioning. The hair is divided into the top, the sides, and the back. He takes a clean, diagonal subsection and gently combs it forward. Then MCC HUN. Notice how he maintains consistent tension and keeps the section clean. This ensures an even and balanced cut. Now he moves to the back section. He lifts a clean vertical subsection and over-directs it slightly toward the center. This technique helps maintain the length at the sides while creating a smooth connection through the back. Notice the even tension and precise combing. This is essential for achieving balanced, consistent layers. The section clean, lifts it steadily, and cuts with smooth, controlled motions. This step establishes the main structure of the back layers. Here, he over-directs the entire back section toward the center. This over-direction preserves length on both sides while creating a soft, rounded shape through the back. He keeps the elevation high and the tension even, ensuring the layers blend smoothly from the crown all the way to the ends. Balance of the layers. By lifting the crown area, he ensures that the guide remains consistent and that the back section blends smoothly into the top. This step is crucial for maintaining an even flow from the crown all the way down to the ends. hair, he elevates the hair straight up to refine the top layers. By cutting at this high elevation, he creates a seamless transition from the crown into the upper layers. This step adds softness, movement, and ensures the entire shape blends without any visible waistlines. Using the previous cut at the side, he trims only the excess length. This ensures the top layers flow naturally into the back, creating a smooth, unified shape throughout the haircut. By section, directing the airflow downward to keep the cuticle smooth. And here is the final look. You can see how the layers fall beautifully with a soft, seamless transition from top to bottom. The ends are light, the movement is natural, and the entire shape flows perfectly. This is a clean, classic long-layered haircut with balanced volume and effortless texture. What a well-executed